Have you ever been in an English conversation and your mind goes completely blank?
Yes, someone asks a simple question and your brain just totally disappears.
You stand there and smile at them, but inside you are actually panicking.
You have absolutely no idea what to say. It is a terrible feeling.
I was at a coffee shop once. The worker asked a simple question.
Did you give him a simple answer or did you panic and freeze?
I completely froze and said something crazy. I said, yes, no, thank you.
That makes absolutely no sense. The poor man was probably very confused.
I know. Why do we freeze like that? Why do the words hide?
We freeze because we translate in our heads. We think in our language first.
So we translate their question and then translate our answer back?
Yes, and that process takes way too long, 5 or 10 seconds easily.
That makes you feel very slow and nervous. We must stop translating entirely.
You must think directly in the English language. Let's see how to do that.
Welcome back to Grow English Mastery, your ultimate guide to speaking corporate English with absolute confidence.
Stop translating in your head and start speaking like a leader. Let us dive in.
Moving from the problem to the solution, what is our very first tip?
Tip number 1 is to start small. You should think in single English words.
You should not try to use full sentences. Full sentences are way too hard.
Exactly. If you look at your hot coffee, just think coffee, hot, good.
That sounds like a very easy daily habit. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is using short filler phrases. These give you more thinking time.
Do native English speakers really use them? I thought they never needed extra time.
Everyone needs extra time to think about answers. They just fill the silent pauses.
Could you give us a really good example? I want to practice one now.
A great phrase is, "That is a good question." It buys you 3 seconds.
Excuse me, so your brain works fast while you speak that simple phrase?
Yes, it works perfectly and sounds very natural. You will sound much smarter.
Now that we have extra time to think, what should we focus on next?
Tip number 3 is very important for everyone. Stop trying to be completely perfect.
I used to be afraid of mistakes. I would just stop talking entirely.
That is the worst thing you can do. The other person does not care.
So I should just watch the road, not the speedometer. Speak first, fix later.
That is a perfect way to explain it. Mistakes are simply your teachers.
I love that. Mistakes are just our teachers. What is tip number 4 today?
Tip number 4 is preparing your conversation starters. The first sentence is always scary.
Yes, opening your mouth the first time is hard. How do we prepare starters?
Have simple sentences ready before the conversation begins, like, "How is your day going?"
Or I could say, what do you think about this? That is so easy.
Exactly. They act like little doors. Once the door opens, walking is easier.
We have so many great tools right now, but how do we practice them?
That brings us to tip number 5 today. Practice out loud every single day.
Talk to myself out loud every single day? That sounds a little bit crazy.
It really works. When you make breakfast, just describe your actions in English.
I am making eggs. The pan is hot, like a personal cooking show host.
That trains the connection between brain and mouth. You can also record your voice.
So, this connects perfectly with a huge concept. Did you want to explain chunking?
Yes, chunking means learning phrases as one piece. Do not learn word by word.
So, instead of 3 words, I learned the whole phrase, how are you?
Your brain stores it as one single item. You do not need to translate.
Let us practice speaking out loud right now.
We will do some quick shadowing practice together.
Listen carefully and repeat the words after us.
We will say 6 very important English phrases.
Let us start with phrase number 1.
That is a good question.
That is a good question.
That is a good question.
Great job. Now, phrase number 2.
Let me think about that.
Let me think about that.
Let me think about that.
Very nice. Here is phrase number 3.
How is your day going?
How is your day going?
How is your day going?
You are doing great. Phrase number 4 now.
What do you think about this?
What do you think about this?
What do you think about this?
Here is phrase number 5. It is very polite.
Sorry, I did not catch that.
Sorry, I did not catch that.
Sorry, I did not catch that.
Finally, our favorite rule, phrase number 6.
Think fast, speak smart today.
Think fast, speak smart today.
Think fast, speak smart today.
Wow, you did an amazing job practicing.
Your mouth and brain are working together perfectly now.
Let us bring all of these tips together before we finish today's podcast episode.
Tip 1, think in simple words. Tip 2, use short filler phrases for time.
Tip 3, stop trying to be completely perfect. Tip 4, prepare your conversation starters.
And tip 5, practice speaking out loud daily. Learning language is a long journey.
Every time you practice, you are moving forward. You are making real, solid progress.
We are extremely proud of you today. Now, we have a quick question.
What is the most difficult part of speaking English? Is it finding right words?
Let us know in the comments down below. We read every single comment there.
Please hit the subscribe button and share this. Learning together is always much better.
Keep practicing, keep going, and always remember our rule. Think fast, speak smart. Today.